What is a landing page? Now, if you're doing the marketing and advertising for any business, you've probably heard people are talking about landing pages. So in this video, I'll explain exactly what a landing page is, why you should use one instead of simply using your website, and I'll give you 5 big tips for making your landing pages amazing conversion machines. So if you've been running advertising with limited success, you really want to watch this one. Let's get into it. So what is a landing page? A landing page is a single web page, and it's designed with one specific goal, which is to get a visitor to take one action. It can be connected to your website, or it can be hosted completely independently. The action that you want people to take on the landing page might be booking a call, it could be signing up to something, downloading something, or making an inquiry. But the key difference is that a landing page focuses on just one single objective. People usually arrive on a landing page after clicking on an advert or an email or a link of some sort, and they don't browse to it like they would a normal website page. They land on it. Now that's where the name comes from. So unlike a normal website, which has lots of pages, menus, a navigation bar and distractions, a landing page is designed to keep the visitor focused on one thing, which is the goal you want them to complete, such as submitting themselves as a lead. There are no competing goals, no unnecessary links, just a clear message and a clear next step. The purpose of a landing page is just conversion. That means turning a visitor into a lead or a customer. For example, instead of sending somebody who clicks on your advert to your homepage, where they might get distracted, they can click around to other pages or not find what they want and then they simply leave, you send them to a landing page that is specifically designed to match what they clicked on and guide them to take action. This makes landing pages one of the most powerful tools in marketing because they dramatically increase the chances of turning traffic into real business results. So why do landing pages convert better than your normal web pages? The biggest reason is focus. When someone visits your website, they have lots of options. They can click on your menu, they can read about your company, they can browse entirely different services, and it just makes it easier for them to leave because there are distractions everywhere. But when someone visits a landing page, there is only one clear path. One message, one action. Now this makes it much easier for the visitor to understand what it is you want them to do next. The second reason is relevance. A good landing page is designed specifically for the person visiting it. For example, if someone clicks on an advert about personal training in Bedford, they should land on a page that talks specifically about personal training in Bedford, not your generic homepage, which might be about your gym or any other service that you offer. Now, we do this for our locksmith client who has offices all over the UK. We don't send all traffic to his homepage so they can navigate around his website themselves. We send people who click on the London keywords to a London landing page, and people who click on the Manchester keywords to the Manchester landing page, making everything highly relevant to what they're searching for. This message match builds trust and makes people far more likely to convert. And the third reason is clarity. Landing pages remove confusion. They clearly explain the offer, the benefits, and what the visitor needs to do next. When people are confused, they don't act. When things are clear, they do. And finally, landing pages are designed using conversion principles, which I'll cover in a moment. Now, everything on the page, the headline, the images, the wording, the layout is built to guide the visitor towards taking action, whereas a normal website is designed to provide information. A landing page is designed to produce a result. And that's why businesses using landing pages properly often see dramatically better results from their advertising. So here are 5 big tips to turn your landing pages into high converting conversion machines. Tip number 1 is to have a clear outcome-focused headline. Your headline is the first thing that people read, and it should immediately explain what they will get. Not what you do, what they will get. For example, instead of saying, "Welcome to our website," say something like, "Get more qualified leads for your business," or "Book your free personal training session today." Clarity always beats cleverness. Tip number 2 is to focus on one goal only. Your landing page should have one job, one action that you want that visitor to take. So don't give people multiple options and send them off to other pages. The more choices people have, the less likely they are to act. A confused mind never buys. Remember that. One page, one message, One goal. Tip number 3 is to add social proof, and this is really, really important. People trust other people more than they trust businesses. So include testimonials, reviews, client results, or logos of companies that you've worked with. This builds trust and reassures the visitor that they're making the right decision. And tip number 4 is to remove friction. Make it as easy as possible for somebody to convert and to do the thing that you want them to do. Don't make it hard. Use short forms. Ask only for the information that you need and make sure the page loads fast and works perfectly on a mobile. Every unnecessary extra step reduces your conversion rate. And tip number 5 is to match the landing page to the advert. When someone clicks on an advert, they expect to see exactly what was promised. If your advert talks about a free consultation, your landing page should clearly talk about that free consultation. This consistency builds trust and increases conversions. When your message matches, your results will improve. And if you implement these 5 tips, you'll already be so far ahead of most businesses running ads today. Landing pages are the often overlooked part of digital marketing, digital advertising that we see every day. And it's often the one thing that we put in place when we take on ad accounts from other agencies. Often the campaigns look great, the creatives look great, the performance is okay, but we introduce landing pages and we watch their results scale. So I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.